Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. And today I'm here to explain you about donjunior.com review. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website and you can see this online portal approaches people with Donald Jr.book research, and it also showcases Donald Trump Jr. written book and apparels. If you want to visit the product category of the site, then you need to visit the menu option button. And here you can find that they have mentioned some written books and the apparel, including the t-shirts. So if you want to visit the product category, then you need to visit shop all products or option button and you can find the entire products. And guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's talk about the payment information of the site. So you can see various modes of payment are available on this site, including PayPal, MasterCard, MX, Visa, etc. And when it comes to the shipping policy of the site, so I'm not able to view any shipping policy section here. So they have not provided the shipping information, which is a bad sign. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So this website is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 8th of Jan 2009. So guys, this is an old website that defines its legitimacy. Now let's check out the about us and contact us details of this website. So you can see they have not provided the about us information of the site as well as the contact details, which is a negative sign, and this creates a confusion about its legitimacy. But talking about the social media presence, the site has strong social media presence on Facebook or Instagram and Twitter. So this is a good sign that defines its legitimacy. But let's check out the return or refund policy. So guys, they have not provided any return or refund policy page, which is a negative sign. You can see they have not provided any option in the menu option button. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And apart from that, I would like to inform you that the trust index score of this site is 80%, which is good, and that define its online strong presence. And talking about donjunior.com review, we have found positive feedbacks on its official website. You can take a look here. On the home page, they have provided some testimonials. Here you can read, but we have not found guys customer reviews on the internet, which is again a negative sign. And guys, in the final conclusion, I would say please make a wise decision. You need to explore this website at the best level and on various other platforms as well. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area box. The site seems to be legit guys, but you need to explore this website very well, and we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website without any research. So do research, explore this website, and we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully. And guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.